Today we are commemorating the 275th anniversary of the founding of Fairfax County, and we are having a festival on the grounds of the Fairfax County Courthouse. It also is where the historic Fairfax County Courthouse is located and used today. We were so excited to kick off today's commemoration with an opening ceremony that featured the Sheriff's Department's Honor Guard, the national anthem sung by the Singing Stars, and a host of elected officials throughout the region. Our special guests for the 275th commemoration are Lord and Lady Fairfax. They are the current Lord and Lady who live in London. So Lord Nicholas the 14th Lord Fairfax of Cameron is here for the commemoration. So as part of the fair, he is giving several talks and he is visiting with the public. There are a wide array of booths and hands-on opportunities today. We have a huge presence from the Sheriff's Department, the Fire Department, and the Police Department, all featuring hands-on activities, safety programs, a lot of antique cruisers and fire equipment as well. And then we have over 100 history organizations represented here, and they all have booths, and they're promoting what they do, and they're also looking for volunteers. In addition, there are 4 performance areas. You can meet historic characters like George Washington and George Mason. You can visit with Lady Washington. We are so excited about our kids' activities today. They can make a War of 1812 boat. They can write with a quill pen, and they can dress up in different costumes as well. We have 13 different education stations where your child will certainly want to stay there all day, and you'll be looking to pull them away.
We're doing a variety of games that would have been played by people in the 18th century when Fairfax was brand new rather than 275 years old. Today we've got 2 favorites. We have the jingling game, which they are blindfolded trying to catch someone who's ringing a bell. There's also a game called Graces that teaches you to gracefully propel a hoop through the air and then catch it.
It is our hope that people leave today with a greater appreciation for Fairfax County's tremendous history and learn a little bit more about the history organizations that are in their own backyard. The 275th commemoration is throughout 2017. So if you weren't able to make the fair today, there are a lot of great opportunities still to come this year. We have lectures, symposium, bus tours. We also have a lot of events coming up through the Fairfax County Park Authority and all of their museums as well.